Start recording, and I say, welcome, we're going to talk today about this, here's the main points we're going to cover. I can go through and just show my stuff, and we can do a problem, we can work something out, and I can see by using the clicker, I can set that problem, and I can see when people answer. And as I said, I was saying to Desi earlier, what I was stunned about was that I was giving people way too little time to answer. All those years when I just said, you have a go at it, and then I'd come in when people looked like people had stopped writing, and I'd come in and start writing. It turns out that I think maybe a third of my class actually had given me an answer by then, maybe even less. So I found for a typical Physics 1 or Physics 2 problem, it's like sometimes 6 minutes. Sometimes I've even had 10 minutes waiting when it was an important point. I really wanted to hold people's feet to the fire and say, can you do this? Much longer than I expected. So it kind of slows me down. That doesn't have to be recorded. I can set the problem. I can then press on here and I go pause recording, and this bit will be recorded. So I can do that. Let's say I think, oh no, there's something I want to talk about. I can maybe put it on pause. Let's do that. I can go pause, Zoom recording. I go, well, this is a really interesting video class, and you know, this is really good. We should all look at this. Oh. I need a bit more volume.
The Doppler effect is perhaps best explained.
Okay. Oh, that's nonsense. Let's not even bother with that. So I go here. I go, let's just stop this. Stop. I go, let's get out of here and pause it.